These AI-generated DIY cardboard videos are getting millions of views across YouTube and other social media platforms. And the biggest opportunity is that this niche is still far from saturated. That means if you start now, you have a much better chance of growing before the competition increases. In this video, I'll show you how to create these viral AI videos completely for free using the latest AI tools. You won't need expensive software, editing experience, or a big budget. Everything can be done with AI step by step. To make the entire process easier, I've created a master prompt that does almost all the heavy work for you. Instead of spending hours researching ideas or writing prompts manually, this single prompt works like your personal AI assistant. Simply copy the complete master prompt, open Claude AI, paste it into the chat, and send it. Within a few seconds, Claude AI generates 10 unique DIY cardboard video ideas that are ready to use. Read through each idea carefully and pick the one that fits your channel best. If you don't like any of them or want more options, simply type more and send it again. Claude instantly creates another fresh list of ideas, so you never run out of content. This makes it much easier to stay consistent on YouTube because you'll always have new video concepts ready to create. For this tutorial, I'm choosing idea number 2. I simply type 2 into the chat and Claude automatically generates a complete, highly detailed video prompt based on that idea. This isn't just a simple description, it includes everything needed to generate the final video. Instead of writing prompts scene by scene, this single prompt is enough to create the entire AI video from start to finish, saving a huge amount of time. Now copy the complete video prompt and open Google Flow AI, switch to video generation mode, and select the OmniFlash model. OmniFlash is one of the best choices for generating realistic AI videos because it creates smooth motion, detailed visuals, and high quality results. After selecting the model, paste the complete prompt into the prompt box and click Generate. The generation process takes a little time, so just wait until it's complete. Once the video is ready, you'll immediately notice how realistic it looks. The cardboard crafting, camera movements, lighting, and overall quality are incredibly convincing. The final result looks so natural that most viewers won't even realize it was created entirely with AI. This is exactly the type of content that's performing well on YouTube because it's satisfying to watch and keeps people engaged. After the video finishes generating, download it in the highest resolution available to maintain the best quality. Then simply repeat the same workflow with a different idea from Claude AI. Generate a new prompt, paste it into Google Flow, and create another video. The process stays exactly the same, making it easy to produce multiple high-quality videos consistently for your YouTube channel. This is why AI is becoming such a powerful tool for YouTube creators. Instead of spending hours planning, scripting, and producing content manually, AI handles most of the workflow for you. That means you can create videos faster, upload more consistently, test multiple ideas, and increase your chances of finding a viral video. On YouTube, consistency combined with trending content is one of the biggest factors for long-term growth, and this workflow helps you achieve both. That's the complete process. We used Claude AI to generate unlimited viral content ideas, converted one idea into a detailed video prompt, generated a realistic AI video using Google Flow AI with the OmniFlash model, and exported the final result in high quality. If you start using this workflow while this niche is still growing, you'll have a much better opportunity to build your channel before it becomes crowded. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe because I regularly share the latest AI tools, viral YouTube niches, and AI workflows that help creators grow faster and create high quality content with less effort. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.